Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming the single through line that will hold attention, one protagonist, one goal. Explain why that matters. Clarity reduces drift and creates stakes. Once done, strip any opening beats that don't advance that goal. Keep scenes that introduce conflict or character. Make sure to open with an inciting event so the audience understands the story's engine. If you follow these steps now, you set a clear trajectory that the rest of the work will reliably orbit around. You maintain the spotlight by connecting every scene to the protagonist's goal. That's the how and why. Once a scene exists, ask, does it advance the goal, reveal a flaw, or raise stakes? If not, cut or repurpose it. Make sure to pace reveals, alternate action beats with quieter character moments to avoid fatigue. Use minute deadlines and escalating consequences so momentum accelerates. This creates a chain of cause and effect that pulls the audience forward and keeps the story centered. You close by ensuring the protagonist's journey answers the central question you set up. That's the payoff your audience expects. Once resolved, check that every major subplot reflects or contrasts that resolution to reinforce the message. Make sure the ending is caused by the protagonist's choices rather than random events, so the spotlight remains on the story's agency. If things feel diffuse, a quick troubleshoot. Remove the weakest subplot or compress scenes so the protagonist's arc stands in clear relief.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.